Hey everyone, if you're looking for a NordVPN coupon code, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share a code that will help you save a lot of money. You need to click the link in my description or scan the QR code you see on the screen right now. It's important that you click on my link or scan the QR code because that's how the coupon code works. Once you do, you'll land on this page. From here, click on Get NordVPN. This coupon code works in every plan, no matter where you're from. So, for a demo, I'll show you with the Plus plan. I'll click on Get Plus. Wait, check out the price one time for me. Check out the price, and I'll click I got a coupon code. Now I'm entering my coupon code and hitting Enter. As you can see, I saved almost $18. But not only that, I saved $18 and I'm getting a $20 gift card. So technically, I'm saving like $40 when buying NordVPN. Go check out the link in my description. If you click on my link, this coupon code will apply, otherwise it won't work.